Hi, Martin here with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to access and use the Microsoft Bing Image Creator. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've got the Image Creator up on my screen. So to access Image Creator, as opposed to the Bing chat, you actually don't have to have the Microsoft Edge browser. Simply just head to www.bing.com/create. From here, it will ask you to join. There'll be a button that says join and create. You'll just need to log in with your Microsoft account. So that's an Outlook or Hotmail email address. And then you'll end up on the Bing Image Creator screen. So you can see here, so this kind of works similar. If you've used something like ChatGPT, we're kind of doing a similar thing. We're describing what we want, but instead of getting a text response, we're going to get an image instead. So this is the interface you'll be greeted with. So these are just a whole host of different image examples. And if you hover over them, it will show you what keywords were put into the bar at the top in order to create these images. So you can kind of see there's some pretty amazing images here, all created using AI. So in order to start creating yourself, literally all you need to do is click on the bar here, and you've got here, so it says, want to see how Image Creator works, select Surprise Me, then create. So why don't we give that a go? And then go create. Now, one thing you'll notice from using Bing Image Creator or any kind of AI image creator compared to using something like ChatGPT is it's a little bit slower. So understandable, it is generating and creating an image as opposed to creating just pure text. So we can see we said surprise me, and we've got some AI generated images here. So if you want to go back, we can go back to Microsoft Bing here. So we can go back up to the search bar at the top, and we can put something else in. So let's be maybe a little bit more specific. So let's just say a photo realistic image of the New York skyline. Okay. So I just hit return or enter on my keyboard there, and that will do the same thing as hitting the create button down here. So it will give you little tips. So it says describe an art movement like impression. Okay. So here you can see we've got our photographs of the New York skyline. Okay. So let's just say an impressionist painting of a tree on a hill, and we'll go ahead and click create. So you're starting to see that you can actually, so it says here again with the tip that you could do it in an artist style like Van Gogh. So it's really the more descriptive that you can be, the closer that the image created is going to be to what you are looking for. Okay, so we've got my impressionist painting of a tree on a hill. So I did say about the image creator being a little bit slower. So one thing that you can do is you have this option here. So this lightning thing here. So it says create images more quickly with boosts. If you run out, image generation may take longer. So one way that they're trying to make a little bit of money off this is being able to buy boosts, which will create your images quicker. So unless you're a professional and you really are needing these images very, very quickly, there isn't much of a need to purchase those, but that option is there should you need it. So there you have it. That's how you find Bing Image Creator. That's the interface, and that's how you start using it. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more.